We touched on several of the bills that are sitting on the governor's desk right now to be approved. In the grand scheme of economic development, we discussed a lot of the initiatives that are being put forth this year in terms of loan programs, assistance in terms of tax incentives for the small businesses and rural communities in terms of development, some relief in terms of impact fees, transportation impact fees, and other fees that would normally be assessed against these small businesses and rural communities are being lessened in order to help spur the economic development in those areas. We also touched significantly on the community association regulations that have gone through the legislature this year, specifically in terms of fixing some of the glitches, which is always the case in past years, making things a little bit more clear for the community associations as well as the union owners. Specifically, we touched a little bit about the broadened abilities of community association managers to be able to assist their associations, to enforce collection efforts on their end, and to provide additional services that they weren't previously able to provide. We also touched on some of the regulations in terms of termination of condominiums and what condo associations can do in terms of retaking back abandoned units and being able to turn them around. Some additional regulations related to the ag community, specifically in terms of tax breaks and tax incentives, and some additional benefits in terms of being able to keep their agricultural exemption, help lessen the burden on those ends. So all in all, we had a really good, exciting legislation this year, and hopefully the governor passes them.